Marvel 5 Elemental Power Hulks. Abilities: Flame Hulk can generate intense heat and control fire. He can project fire blasts, create fiery shields, and even manipulate existing flames. His anger intensifies the heat. Aqua Hulk can control water in all its forms. He can create tidal waves, shoot water jets with incredible force, and manipulate water molecules for various effects. Volt Hulk can generate and control electricity. He can shoot lightning bolts, create electric shields. His punches and kicks can deliver powerful electric shocks, incapacitating opponents on contact. Ice Hulk possesses cryokinetic abilities. Allowing him to manipulate ice and cold, he can create ice projectiles. Freezing enemies on contact, Ice Hulk can summon blizzards, freeze objects instantaneously. Stone Hulk. Stand strong with Stone Hulk. A juggernaut of earth and rock, his skin is impenetrable, and he molds mountains with his bare hands.